Population of 1,100 people and 2 schools, the Town of Eckville completed a sewage lift station upgrade project with startup of the new system in 2011. For level control in the 2 new pump stations, Greyline PSL 5.0 pump station level controllers were specified. Non-contacting ultrasonic sensors monitor water levels in the wet wells, and the instrument activates pump on and off set points according to the water level. Town operators quickly became aware of problems in the lift stations as they began receiving call-out alarms from high-level floats. They investigated the problem and experimented with baffles and stilling wells, attempting to reduce the periodic buildup of foam and grease that was causing the ultrasonic sensor echo loss in the pump stations. The Greyline PSL 5.0's hybrid design allows connection of a second redundant sensor to operate in standby mode if ultrasonic echo loss occurs. So operators connected submersible pressure sensors to the PSL 5.0 controllers. As grease and foam built up on the water surface, the PSL 5.0 automatically switches to monitor through the redundant sensor and then back again to the ultrasonics when grease and foam dissipates. PSL 5.0 electronics were mounted indoors with relay connections to the duplex pumps. Operators can view level in the wet wells and relay status directly on the PSL 5.0 digital display. On-screen reports show pump and alarm run times as well as operation time for the redundant sensor.